Okay, now we will see how we can use the publish to web in Power BI report. As the name suggests, here the report will be published to the internet. So anyone having the link of that page, they can see it. So you can have this like anonymous access, so anyone can see it. So make sure that if you have any confidential information or if you don't want this data to be published publicly, then you should not do this publish to web option. So now what you can do here is you can see here this is our report that we created last time and we publish into the this web as published to the Power BI service. Now here we can do that option. If you have not opened that, you can just click on app.powerbi.com and you can see here from my workspace you can go to the reports and you can see this is the report that we want this to be published to the web. Now on this basically you can go to file and then you can see here one option which is saying publish to web. Click on that. Now if you'll see here, now it is saying create embedded code. That option it is showing. If you do not see this option, then you can see probably something like this. Contact your admin to enable embed code creation. So in this case, what will happen is I have enabled this option from my Power BI admin store. That's the reason I can see this. If you do not see this option, then you can go to, let's say I'll go to the admin center. I wanted to show it from the admin center. So you can go to the Power BI admin center. In this case, this is our Microsoft 365 admin center. Click on show all and you can see here all admin centers and you can see here this is called Power BI. So if you click on this, then actually you will see the option where we can generate the embed code. First of all, these are the admin options. On this, basically, if you'll see there is an embed code option. Click on that and you will be able to see if any existing embed code has been done. This is for another report I had done. So you can see this. But if you'll go to the tenant settings, you can see here there is an option which is saying publish to web. You can see here. Expand this and if you'll see here by default it will the first option will be selected, allow only allow existing codes, but the second option is allow existing code and new codes so that you can generate that. So that's if that option is not and if the second option is not chosen, then you will see this error message. This message basically it's not an error message. And then you can come here and you enable this, click on apply. So once you click on apply, it will take 10 minutes and 10-15 minutes, and then if you'll come to the report, you can see this option when you click on file and then publish to web. Now you click on create embed code. So if you see here create embed code, it is saying that if you want to publish it, then anyone on the internet you will be able to access the report and the data it contains Microsoft may. So it's basically it is saying that your data will be become public now. Now click on publish. So once you click on publish, you can see here we have two options. One thing is a link. If you want to send to any user, you can send that link, or you can see here this say iframe code. So it is saying that you can paste this HTML in your blog or any website somewhere. If you'll see here, I have the SharePoint Sky site. I will just have this report. I'll just create a page. So basically, this is a WordPress site. You can see here, this is a WordPress site. This is the SharePoint Sky site.com, SharePoint Sky.com site. So it's a it's not a SharePoint site. It's a WordPress site. Now on this, if I will actually embed this code, then my users can see it. Anyone in the internet can see it. So if I'll click on this plus, and then basically this is an option where you can add the embed code. So you can see here I just embed this code. I'll publish this. You can see here I just publish it, and once it is published successfully, then we can actually see the report in the site itself. So let it just publish. You can see here it is published successfully. Now if I'll open the site URL, you can see here this is the internet site. Anyone can access it. You do not need any credentials for that. You can see here. Now I can see the report. If I'll click on this, I can even interact with the report correctly. So you can see here I can filter it over there. So So this is my SharePoint site, or this is a just a WordPress site, and we can embed that Power BI report over here, and user can see this report as well. So okay, so before any, I will delete this post now. So this way we can actually use the publish to web option, and we can embed our report to any website or blog, or we can have the anonymous link. You can send it to, you can just email it to anyone, and they can just click over that and they can see the report.